What are you making? It smells really good.
Just some pasta. Want some?
Yeah, I'm in. Need any help?
Could you chop those tomatoes for me?
What kind of pasta is it? Looks different from usual.
I'm trying something new. I'm adding sun-dried tomatoes and a bit of cream to the sauce.
Nice. What are you doing after this?
Not much. Just planning to relax and maybe watch a movie.
Can I join you?
Of course. Can you grab the Parmesan from the fridge?
Here it is. You're really going all out with this pasta.
I just wanted to make something a little special.
Well, we're complaining. Can't wait to try it.
I hope it turns out good. You know, I've been wanting to cook more lately.
That's awesome. Next time we can try cooking together from scratch. Something like pizza?
That sounds fun. We could even make the dough ourselves.
Deal. And hey, if this pasta is anything like your usual cooking, I'm sure it's going to be amazing.
No pressure, right?
None at all, but if it's as good as it smells, I think we're in for a treat.